$200, right? That is the amount creators typically use to shell out for literally one single motion graphics chart. Think about that for a second. $200 for one graphic? If you're building a full presentation or a YouTube channel, those costs stack up unbelievably fast. But you know what? That budget barrier, it is officially completely broken. So the big question is there a way to generate unlimited pixel-perfect motion graphics for free without writing a single line of code? Well, we are about to look at a workflow that completely challenges everything we know about traditional video editing. Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we are diving into a massive, frankly, game-changing paradigm shift, AI motion graphics, where it's all about code over pixels. This completely flips how we think about generating visual assets. We aren't just generating flat images anymore. We are literally commanding AI to write code that builds our animations perfectly from scratch. Here is our quick roadmap for the Explainer today. We'll hit the motion graphics dilemma, jump into the code-based AI solution, check out some pixel-perfect animation examples, look at a really cool CodePen workflow hack, and wrap up with the future of creation. And hey, I promise you, you won't need to actually write a single line of this code yourself. All right, let's dive right into section 1, the motion graphics dilemma, specifically the problem with current AI generators. If you've been in the content game recently, you know this pain. On one side, you've got standard AI image and video generators, things like Nano Pro, Kling 2.6, or Hera. You give them a prompt and you basically cross your fingers and pray for usable output. Half a dozen tries later, the graph's green screened is weird, the text is total gibberish, or a data label is just floating in the wrong spot. And you can't edit it. You have to regenerate the whole thing and hope you get lucky again. But on the other side, we have the new reality, code-based AI. This is pixel perfect, completely consistent, and fully editable every single time. Moving on to section 2, the code-based AI solution. Let's set up the magic stack. To make this massive leap to directing perfect code, we just need a specific software stack, and it's surprisingly easy. Step 1, you install Node.js. That just quietly handles the background architecture. Step 2, install Cursor. This is an AI-powered code editor, basically your personal robot programmer. And step 3, you literally just use voice commands in Cursor. You ask its AI agent like Opus 4.5 to install Remotion for you. You just say, hey, can you please set up Remotion on my drive? Boom! No terminal hacking or coding background required at all on your part. Now, this brilliantly illustrates the core concept, the absolute secret sauce that makes this entire system work. Props. Props is just short for properties. Because the AI is writing code to build your graphic instead of just spitting out a flat picture, you have total control over the properties. Want to change the text? Do it. Swap colors? Easy. Scale it up to 1.5 or shift the X and Y positioning perfectly? Done. And you do all of this without ever having to sit there regenerating the entire animation. Okay, section 3, pixel-perfect animation examples. Let's be real. Seeing is believing. Check out this exact conversational voice command given to Cursor paired with just a basic screenshot of a bar chart. Quote, animate this graph and make the typography kinetic. Give me full prop control. That's it. That's the prompt. And the output you get? It is absolutely wild. A perfectly animated chart, but with entirely editable data fields. The y-axis and x-axis offsets, totally adjustable. The size is instantly scalable. Like, if the graph generates perfectly but it's sitting just a little too high on the screen, you don't regenerate it. You literally just slide the y-axis value down a bit. No image regeneration required. You just tweak those props we talked about and it updates instantly. All right, let's step it up to something way more complex. The prompt here asks, can you make an explainers-style video for teaching AI neural networks to a 10-year-old? Give me an animated diagram. This was fed directly into Cursor, and it took about 30 seconds to process. Now, what is really fascinating about this is the sheer level of detail the code generated. It actually created animated inputs, hidden layers, outputs, the whole shebang. And every piece is customizable. The background colors, the specific colors of the circles, those animated pulse lines, all fully editable. Even the text labels. If the diagram looks a bit too clustered, you just click the property and change the text. Literally every single element of this complex explainer diagram remains a completely editable property. Let's look at another one, a dynamic balance counter. The prompt was, make a balance counter similar to the reference image attached. Make the counter go up to $357,000 and give me full control over all the properties. This was actually inspired by a paid template on Hara, but it was flawlessly rebuilt in Cursor in, what, 10 seconds just by talking to the AI? And it totally nails it. It counts precisely to exactly $357,000. But here is a phenomenal pro tip, directly from our source material. Sometimes the Remotion software can kind of bug out when you try to render transparent backgrounds the normal way. So what's the workaround? You literally just politely command Cursor directly. Hey, render this in a transparent background, please. The AI just bypasses the bug, handles the rendering itself, and gives you a pristine, transparent animation that is ready to drop right over your video edits. Okay, one last example just to really drive this home. Here's a super detailed prompt for an animated tweet, which was heavily inspired by a very pricey template on a site called Jitter. The user asked for a very specific animation sequence. The white container appearing first, followed by the profile picture, then the text. And of course, they made sure to ask for that crucial prop control. The result completely proves how powerful this workflow is. One single, well-crafted voice prompt successfully replaced an expensive software subscription. You get this beautiful, kinetic tweet where the display name, the username, the actual tweet content, and even the timestamp can be instantly updated. Say you want to change the date to 2025? No problem, you just type it into the props. Boom, done. All right, let's move to section 4, the CodePen workflow hack. This is basically the ultimate creator cheat code. This workflow is absolute genius because it shows you how to essentially hijack web developer tools for your video content. So CodePen is a code repository for web developers, right? It is packed with interactive web animations built using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Step 1, you just find an animation you like. Let's say a dynamic YouTube subscribe button that pops when you click it. Step 2, you copy that raw web code. Step 3, paste it into Cursor and just ask it to convert that web code into a Remotion video format. You're literally turning functional website buttons into broadcast-ready video graphics. It's amazing. But, what happens if the AI gets confused? Because let's be real, it happens. Let's say the AI tries to draw a hand clicker pointer and it just looks terrible. The troubleshooting here is so incredibly simple. You don't sit there fighting the AI. You just go to a free site like SVG Repo, download a perfect vector graphic of a hand pointer, drop it in your folder, and simply tell Cursor, hey, replace the buggy hand pointer with this new file, and the AI just updates the code instantly. Remember, you are the director here. The AI is just your crew. Finally, section 5, the future of creation. Limitless potential. The absolutely crucial takeaway from all of this is what it means for your workflow. Think about it. You can take a screenshot of any animated lower third you like online, have Cursor build it from scratch, and then change the names and brand titles on the fly, like just typing in Sid YouTuber without ever touching a single keyframe. This workflow completely bypasses the traditional, costly, and honestly really slow motion design process. You're no longer waiting days for a designer, and you're no longer wrestling with clunky After Effects templates. As our source material perfectly puts it, your imagination is truly the only limit now. We have covered some incredible ground today in this explainer. From setting up Cursor and Remotion to editing props to literally hijacking web code for flawless video graphics. So I want to leave you with this final provocative thought. Are you still paying for pixels? Or are you finally ready to direct the code? The tools are completely free, the workflow is blazingly fast, and the barrier to entry has completely vanished. Go give it a try. Thanks for exploring this with me today, and keep learning.